Let's unbox this new power strip and see what makes it stand out. Inside the box, you'll find a heavy-duty extension cord with a space-saving design, 12 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port, totaling 15 charging options, perfect for any home or workspace. One of my favorite things about this model is its smart layout. It has 6 wide outlets and 6 vertical ones, designed to fit even bulky adapters without blocking other plugs. The low-profile angle plug keeps it flat against the wall, so it doesn't take up extra space. Plus, the 6-foot flat extension cord is flexible and durable, ideal for home, office, or workshop setups. There's no need for extra adapters. The USB-C port delivers 20 watts of PD fast charging, automatically adjusting to your device. And 2 USB-A ports provide 5 volts at 2.4 amps each, great for charging multiple gadgets safely at once. Here's a quick safety demonstration. Notice how the outer shell doesn't catch fire. It's made with flame retardant materials for extra safety. So, to sum it up, you get 12 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, super fast charging, flame retardant protection, and heavy-duty 6-foot cord, all in one space-saving certified power strip. It's powerful, reliable, and designed for everyday use, whether it's your home office, kitchen, or garage. I highly recommend this product.